welcome to this video, how to get Domino's pizza at a low price. If this helps you out, drop a like onto this video and let's just get into it. So if you go to the Domino's website or the app or something like that, you'll be able to see that they have deals and stuff going on for their specific orders. So for this you can get 30% off with the voucher for flourstore.ph. So you always want to check back regularly onto your Domino's app or the website to see what deals they have on the actual website. So when you order, you'll be able to get it at a lower price. And you can see, like for this, you get buy one, get one free for $319. Another thing that you can do to reduce the order price of your Domino's pizza is to get coupon codes. So you can type into Google Domino's coupon codes and you'll be able to see here, for an example, you can get $20 off 2 medium pizzas and a 2-liter Coke and stuff. So that's for the American one. This one you can get $5 off. So all you have to do is go to these websites and then you click onto show code, and that's going to give you the coupon code for the Domino's. Then you can go onto the Domino's website and you can go to order online. Let me just show you here real quick. And then for an example, if I go to pizzas and then I select I just want a meat pizza, add to order, and then I have my cart. You go to your cart. Once you've selected everything that you want, then you click go to checkout. I'm just going to click no, go to checkout. I just need to show you where you put these coupon codes to get your price reduced a bit. So this is the checkout page. You want to scroll down and it says have a coupon or promotional code. This is where you add the code, so you can like go onto those websites, you can copy the code. If it's valid for your country, then you click onto there, paste it, and then add that into your order, and that's going to reduce the checkout price of your order. So that's a few things you can do to get Domino's at a low price. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.